tan A equal to 1, tan B equal to 2, and tan C equal to 3. Then A plus B plus C equal to question mark. Okay. So here solution is like this. Solution. Take tan of A plus B plus C. Direct formula. What is that? Tan A plus tan B plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B minus tan B into tan C minus tan C into tan A. So this is the fundamental rule. Most important in compound angles. Tan of A plus B plus C is equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C whole divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. Okay. Now put the values in this formula. So that is equal to tan A means 1 plus tan B means 2 plus tan C means 3 minus tan A means 1 into tan B means 2 into tan C means 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 into 1 equal to, so numerator is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 2 into 3 into 1 means again 6 divided by 1 minus 1 into 2 is 2 minus 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 into 1 is 3. So that equal to 6 minus 6 cancel. So that is 0 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. So that equal to 0 divided by 1 minus 11 means minus 10. So 0 by anything is equal to 0. That is the fundamental rule. So that is the value is 0. Now therefore A plus B plus C equal to tan inverse of 0. So how many degrees? Tan 0 degrees is 0. So therefore